Hello students, welcome to Physics by GSB. Today we discuss about electric field of two positively charged parallel sheets. Okay, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. First of all, consider two thin infinite parallel sheets having uniform surface charge density sigma 1 and sigma 2. ठीक है. Suppose sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2 and sigma 2 is greater than 0. ओके, तो ड्रॉ करते हैं इसका पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम. क्या बनेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैविंग ए फर्स्ट शीट ठीक है. सॉरी शो करूं ताकि हम डायग्राम इजी रहे मान ली बनाना. ओके, प्लस 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 sigma 1 is surface charge density of sheet 1 and second is sigma 2. Okay, now suppose r1 where r vector is the unit vector from left to right. लेफ्ट टू राइट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है r1 वेक्टर. यहां पे इसको भी शो कर देता हूं. ये लेफ्ट होगा, ये राइट. इस तरफ हम शो करते हैं r unit vector. Okay, now we know that now some basic representation is there are two parallel sheets. In fact, let's consider there are two infinite parallel sheets. This will be placed at that time, at this time, and then the second will be replaced by this time. Okay. Now, if we know the electric field lines are perpendicular to these two sheets, positively sheets directly outward. So, from how we represent electric field lines to given sheets sigma 1 and sigma 2 surface charge density. So for surface charge density sigma 1, let me consider the electric field is represented by E1. So we represent there in this region E1 is in from right to left, but in second is let's consider there will be first region and that will be second and that will be third region. Okay, but in the second region the electric field due to first plate is from left to right is E1. In third region it is also from left to right. Now we consider electric field due to sigma 2 surface charge density is given by E2. Now electric field in region first due to sigma 2 plate is given as from left to right E2 because electric field lines are actually outward from positive surface. And now in the second region it will be also from it will from right to left E2. Now in region third electric field is from left to right. This will be representation of electric field for two infinite parallel sheets having surface charge density positive surface charge density. ये हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. Okay, now write the resultant in region wise. Electric field at any point in region फर्स्ट रीजन में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जिस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट होगा. ओके, फर्स्ट रीजन में दोनों है क्या E1 और E2 दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में. E1 एंड E2 हैविंग सेम डायरेक्शन. तो electric field is given as E1 vector plus E2 vector. What is the value of E1? Electric field due to first sheet is sigma 1 is represented. We know the resultant of electric field due to a infinite plane sheet is given as sigma by 2 epsilon naught. But E1 is opposite to unit vector R. So how we represent in unit vector form R cap? It will be opposite to R cap. So we will write there minus for E1. Okay. Similarly for E2. E2 is also opposite to unit vector R. So we write there minus sigma. This is for sigma 1. So sigma 1 right surface charge density. E2 is from sigma 2. Surface charge density due to second plate. So we write sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught R cap. It is also opposite to unit vector. So we write E is equal to minus R cap 2 epsilon sigma 1 by plus sigma 2. This is the resultant for electric field in region first. Now we calculate the electric field at any point in region second. Okay, I hope you write that. Okay, now we calculate electric field at any point in region second. Second region की बात कर रहे हैं अभी हम. Okay, in second region we see that electric field E1 is opposite to electric field E2. Okay, so right here total electric field is equal to E1 plus E2. Write the value of E1 and E2. E1 is in the direction of unit vector. So we write sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught R cap. But E2 is opposite to the unit vector R cap. So we write here sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught R cap. So total electric field is given by in region second is R cap by 2 epsilon sigma 1 minus sigma 2. This is the electric field in region second. Now electric field at any point in region third. Now we calculate electric field in region third. We know that E1 and E2 having same direction, but it is also in the direction of a unit vector. So total electric field is given as E1 plus E2 according to superposition principle. Put the values of E1. E1 is in the direction of R vector, R unit vector. So right there sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught R cap plus E2 is also in the direction of unit vector R cap. So sigma 2 surface charge density of second plate 2 epsilon naught R cap. So total resultant is electric field in region third is given as R cap by 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So these are the basic results for positively charged parallel sheets. Okay, electric field in region first, electric field in region second, electric field in region third. Okay, students, now we discuss about electric field of two positively charged parallel sheets. So same case is there, but little bit is different from previous, that here will be a positively surface charge density plate and there will be a negatively surface charge density plate, okay, which is represented minus sigma, and there will be plus sigma. Now r cap is also shows the unit vector from left to right with your reference point. Okay, now we represent the electric field lines due to sigma, positive sigma and negative sigma. Okay, let positive sigma represent the electric field E1. So E1 is represented as, for positive charge we know electric field is perpendicular, means radially outward from positive surface. Okay, so in region 1 now we define region, that will be region second, that will be region third. Okay, electric field in region first due to surface charge density plus sigma is represented by E1 vector. Okay, electric field in region second due to surface charge density plus sigma is radially outward from left to right. We write E1 vector. In region third, it will be also from left to right. We write here E1 vector from left to right. But due to a second plate, the electric field is radially inward because there is a negative polarity on the given plate. So in region first, electric field is from left to right, okay, towards the negative plate. The electric field due to negative sigma is represented by E2. Okay, where E2 is the electric field intensity for given plate. Second, minus sigma surface charge density. In second region, the electric field also from left to right, which is represented by E2 vector. Okay, E2 vector. In region third, it will be from right to left towards the sheet. E2 vector. So this is the particular notation of electric field lines for two given or positively charged parallel sheets. Now we calculate electric field at any point in region first. First region में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कैलकुलेट करेंगे. First region में we know that electric field and E2 both having opposite direction, okay, but total is represented as E vector is equal to E1 according to superposition principle E2. Put the value of E1. E1 is opposite to the unit vector r cap. r cap की क्या है, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. तो क्या वैल्यू होगी इसकी E1 की, माइनस सिग्मा प्लस सिग्मा, तो प्लस सिग्मा पुट किया वहां पर, माइनस सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट r cap. E2 is in the direction of unit vector, so we will write plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught r cap. Okay, so what will be the resultant? Resultant is given as, this will be negative factor, this will be positive, so this will be cancel out. Okay, so electric field in region first is equal to 0. क्या आ जाएगा, 0 आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट एनी पॉइंट इन रीजन सेकेंड. सेकेंड रीजन में हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या आएगा. सिमिलरली अकॉर्डिंग टू सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल, E vector is equal to E1 plus E2. Here in region second, E1 and E2 having same direction and it is along the unit vector r cap from right, left to right. So E1 is given as sigma by 2 epsilon naught r cap plus E2 is also written as sigma by 2 epsilon naught r cap. So resultant is given as total electric field is 1 or 2. Two factors are same, so we write sigma by epsilon naught r cap. This is the total electric field in region second between two given plates having a positively charged density, surface charge density. Now electric field field at any point in region third. Now we calculate for region third. According to superposition principle, E vector is equal to E1 plus E2. In region third, electric field E1 is along the R unit cap, means unit vector R cap, but E2 is opposite to the unit vector R cap. So we write sigma by 2 epsilon naught R cap, but E2 is opposite to R cap. So we write negative of sigma 2 epsilon naught R cap. These will be opposite to each other. So electric field in region third is given as also 0. So electric field in region first is 0, electric field in region third is 0, but electric field in region second is given as a sigma by epsilon R cap. Okay, so that is the topic, our today topics. Okay, I hope you all will be understand that. Okay, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. ओके, थैंक यू.